to say was, I can work with weirdos. They've got to eat just like everyone else, right? And if anyone wants to eat, I'm going to need ingredients, which you will have to bring me. You procure those, and I'll turn them into meals so good, they'll change your outlook on life. Yes, I'm that good.
So, I mean, restores health and mana over 2 minutes. Ooh. That's level 8. A little bit expensive, but okay. The crusty roll's pretty good. Not really anything great though.
Hello, fellow human.
I need copper. How much? 2 wire. Okay, there we go. So now I have deals additional 5% damage on fire. Your weakness effects also amplify the target's fire damage, applying weakness or burn. Has a 10% chance to also apply the other one. So I think this does work. Maybe. A bunch of things that I have to sell. I doubt I'm gonna get anything from this guy that would be helpful, but okay. So here's the big question now. Oh, it's gonna weigh too much. No, I'd rather keep this. The one that I have on is definitely better. Still can't put on pants. I think I cannot go over. I mean, I can't go over 11.25. So yeah.
Need one of my potions?